listen, buddy, I gotta handcuff you. I don't care what you have to say. I gotta do it. Turn around. Turn around for me.
Incident 363791
Good.
Hardcore American, show me cuffs with 6 with 24 feet, you can please.
12 for American,
It's a big guy.
10 for American, 80, Roger.
Putting 2 sets of handcuffs on you because you're a big guy. Because you're being detained for suspicion of driving under the influence of narcotics. Or possibly alcohol or a combination of both. We're going to figure that out, okay? All right. Hold on. I'm not going in the car. I'm not going. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Oh, my body hurt. Oh, my God.
If you get up, it's gonna hurt less. Hey, if you just get up, it's gonna hurt. If you just get up, it's gonna hurt less. Just go with
We
the
can do what
program.
we're going to do at a hospital.
Not happy. It's
Yeah.
gonna hurt. It's gonna be worse for you.
Not happy. Let's do that. We're going to call an ambulance. Good job, man. Thanks. Yeah. I'll follow you guys.
Relax. Hey, look, if you don't get cooperative, all right, your mom's not gonna come, your friends who's in the lobby right now, help me! She's gonna be, you don't want to concern her, right?
I'm getting sick.
Okay,
I'm gonna throw
so
up.
relax.
Try to bite me one more time.
Relax, okay? Just go where you need to go right now so that they can take care of you, and that's it.
Can we push? Let's push. All right. Stop it! Stop it!
Relax. Can you fold the bed back?
Be careful, Eddie. I'll feel good. I'll feel good. Help me, please. Stop trying to bite me. What the hell's your problem? Help me! Trying to bite me, man. Watch your hand. Help me, please!
Ryan, relax. Ryan, relax.
Here. God damn it. Watch out, Eddie.
Relax. Hey, this is looking bad for you. Then keep resisting us, okay? You need to relax. All right? Get back on the gurney and relax.
I'm dying.
Right, not dying. You're in the hospital right now. Listen. You need to stop biting him. All right? You want additional charges against him. Please stop biting. Do you understand?
Put that over his face. Push him back down to the thing.
Hey,
I want you to take this off. We're going to grab his feet. Hold on. Strong, dude. This is to stop him from spitting.
just hold him there until we get home, guys.
Watch your hand.
Ryan, you need to relax, dude. You're just causing more problems for yourself right now.
Okay. Towing around his face. Spitting and biting.
Just relax. All right? Stop biting the officers. You understand? Relax. Okay?
I'm on my foot.
Ryan, relax.
Let go.
All right? You need to relax. You need to start following our directions. Okay?
Wow.
You're gonna start following directions? All right, I want you to sit up.
Always go to jail.
All right? You're not gonna
Sarge.
Always go to jail.
All right?
For more IDC, always going to jail.
Why are you trying to make it all hard for yourself? All right? Relax. Try to sit up on the chair right now.
Get up on the chair, dude.
Okay, I want you to do it.
Get up on the gurney. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Like I said, sit up on the chair.
Sit up. Sit up. Fine. Start moving up. Start moving up. You move up? Thank you, Ryan. Let's buddy. Scoot up, Ryan. Sit up. Okay, scoot up. Scoot up.
Just watch his hand because he's gonna pinch off that hand.
Okay.
Put him on the seat, he's gonna pinch off his finger.
Put your left hand. No. All right, sit up. Ryan, you need to sit up.
Ryan, get back on the gurney. Ryan, get back on the gurney right now.
Stand up if you can.
Patient here in the hallway, coming to jail.
Okay, sit back. Ryan, you need to sit back. Okay, come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back.
There we go. All right. Ryan, relax.
Lay your head back, Ryan.
Down more. No, down.
Down.
Like, okay. All right. Now, just try to strap him down. Strap him down.
Yes, sir. I understand now.